Do the whole video like this.
Yeah. Hi, welcome to Fur Baby.
Yeah. Hi, welcome to Fur Baby Woodworks. What's up, guys? This is Matt from Fur Baby Woodworks. Welcome to my brand new channel, your home for classes and product reviews that'll make working with epoxy easier and a lot more enjoyable. So today's episode, we're going to be talking about this right here. This is Dynabrade's brand new Nitro Series Random Orbit Buffer Kit. Dynabrade is a local company here in New York. I personally have used their tools for years in the automotive side of things, but they have a very large woodworking tool catalog as well. So let's open this baby and see what we got inside. Oh yeah. It's pretty unbelievable what Dynabrade managed to fit in that little bag. You have a full-size buffer, 2 full-size bottles of compound and polish, all 3 buffing pads, 2 microfiber towels, and a full sampler pack of sandpaper. They even included 2 replacement brushes for when these ones wear out, and 2 Ziploc bags to keep all your stuff clean and separated. Really unbelievable value for what you pay. I love that this buffer, being a dual action, is the same length as rotary buffers. So there's no learning curve, the muscle memory kind of stays the same. You can choke up on it and grab that bullhorn handle at the front there. It's got your variable speed dial there. You've got a trigger lock, so you can move your hands all over and the buffer will keep spinning. They were also nice enough to include a nice big chart so that you can tell what number on the dial matches what specific speed that you want to hit. The single most important element to any buffing system is having a good initial buffing compound. Doesn't matter how good your buffer is, it doesn't matter how good your pads are, your compound has to be excellent. What Dynabrade did here is they created a super aggressive compound. As you use it, the abrasive in it breaks down and you get a finer and finer and finer liquid to buff with. And you end up getting a really nice finished product at the end without having those heavy swirl marks or heavy buffing marks that get left when using other compounds. I was blown away by how good this stuff was. This is actually what led me to take this from an unboxing video into like a mini review. It's unbelievable. No matter how good your compound is, you have to have a good polish after it. Your polish is gonna remove all the buffing marks, no matter how slight they may be from the first step, but that'll give you that final glass-like finish that we all want. So the Dyna Orange polish is combined with their orange softer buffing pad. 1 pass, I usually do 2 just out of habit, but literally takes all the buffing scratches away. And this actually has a little bit of abrasive in it, so if you have any spots you missed that you need to maybe buff up a little bit, the Dyna Orange will take care of that for you. And that's just an added bonus. So for a 2-part system, you really can't ask for much more than what Dynabrade provided. And one of the 2 compounding pads included is your wool pad. The wool pad is always going to be the workhorse of the system. That's going to get your 1,500 grit scratches out. You can even drop down to 1,000 to 1,200, and it's not going to hurt it. You might need an extra pass or 2, but all the testing I did with this one pass, all the sand scratches were gone, and you really can't ask for much more than that. Now the foam pad is actually like the middle child of the group. It's designed to remove 2,000 grit sand scratches and up. The foam itself is actually very unique. Heat created while using it actually softens the foam, almost turning it into like a final polish pad. Very unique feature, and when you combine it with the red compound that actually softens as you use it, if you're dealing with lighter colors, you can almost treat this like a final finish, and that's really impressive for a white foam pad. The sampler pack of sandpaper is pretty outstanding. The sandpaper itself is really good. It lasts a while. You get 5 sheets each of 1500, 2000, 2500, and 3000 grit sandpaper. You can easily get 3 to 4 jobs out of it. And for a sampler pack, that's kind of crazy. So the value for money with this kit just keeps getting better and better. Now you should know, you can't use your bath towel to wipe down your surface. You need a nice soft microfiber cloth. Dynabrade does it again here. They include not 1, but 2 rags, so you can keep it separate for your compound and keep 1 for your polish. That way, you'll never cross-contaminate the 2, wiping scratches into your nice final finish. So for now, we're gonna keep this video nice and short because the next upcoming video is gonna be a full-blown masterclass on sanding and buffing epoxy to that super nice glass finish. In the meantime, check out my website, check out Dynabrade's website, all their awesome, phenomenal products that they have. I'll see you later.